And today, we're gonna unbox the Canon M50.
Yay!
This is my mom's present from my dad because my mom's birthday was at the 23rd September.
So, birthday present ito sa akin ng aking husband.
But first, we're gonna tell you all the information about it. So let's get started. It says it's 24.1 megapixels.
Then, nakalagay din dito na Wi-Fi. Ay,
Yes,
dito
Wi-Fi.
talaga ako excited. Wi-Fi, tsaka Bluetooth na rin siya.
Wow.
Yes.
Unbox it, guys.
So, ito yung mga nasa loob. Okay, so, ito yan.
Oh no.
Okay. So, ito yung mga nasa loob.
Manual.
Yan.
And let's look at the camera. Look at it, guys. Whoa. It's this thing? What is this?
This is the camera already.
Oh!
Wow! Sobrang liit.
It's small.
Nasanay kasi ako dun sa DSLR na ang laki-laki. At alam nyo guys, ang kanyang material napaka-sturdy.
Yeah.
Mafe-feel mo talaga na napakatibay niya.
Yeah.
So ito yung
Kanyang sila. Look at that. Oh, there.
I see.
So, nakaganyan yan. Ay, napaka-excited nito. Alam mo, napakaliit na. Grabe. Ang cute, ha? I wanna see. It's close. Oh, okay. Dito yung battery na. Ang ganda nito, grabe. And there's this thing.
So ito ang kanyang
Battery. That's the battery. Whoa. He even has a like small case for the battery. Kinda. There you go.
Kasali din yun dyan.
And then we don't know what this. I don't know.
Oh!
Oh,
Ito
that's
yung kanyang
the.
lens.
Yeah.
Wow! Ang cute! Guys, grabe!
That's so cute.
Napaka-cute!
So cute.
Oh my! Tingnan mo, baby.
What?
Tingnan mo. Liit. Siguro yung, dito siguro yung salito niya.
Wow.
So, ito yung kanyang lens. So, ano ito? Charger.
Oh, charger. What? That's a... Wait, this is the charger?
Yeah, this is a charger.
Oh.
Oops.
There's a battery for the charger.
Wala, dito yung butang battery. Okay, lagay.
Like that? This
Try
thing?
natin.
Let's try it.
So, dito.
Whoa.
Saksak.
Oh.
Yun naman.
Yeah. Alright. See that? How do you do it? Wow. And then that thing. Open that. And then.
Yun.
Wow.
Grabe guys, ang ganda. Parang in love ako dito. So, ito pa lang buong package na ito halagang 863.98. That's Canadian dollars. So, bakit siya ganun yung presyo? Kasi nakuha namin ito ng meron siyang package. So, kasali na ito. Yan. So, ito yung Optex Flex Mini tripod. Pakita mo, baby, ano nasa loob.
So unbox this one too.
Yeah. Unbox this.
Let's see. What? Here you go. This. Yeah. Then,
So, meron siyang ganito.
yeah.
Ayan.
It's like this. It's gonna be like that.
Yeah. Napaka-cute niya. So, kasali ito sa buong package. Kasali ito sa binayaran namin na 863.98. So, kung i-convert natin siya into Philippine peso, lumalabas na nasa 34,040. So, the camera, then this one, ang kanyang tripod, tapos, itong 128 gig, at itong kanyang bag, na, yan, napaka-cute din. So, hope na meron kayo nakuha kahit konti sa amin. Maraming salamat din at sinamahan nyo kami sa pag-unbox ng aming items. So, please subscribe. Bigulay Explore Canada. So, hit that bell button so that you will be updated kung meron kaming mga bagong mga videos. Yeah, so, maraming salamat po sa mga nag-subscribe sa amin. At yung mga magsasubscribe pa, maraming salamat din po. So, sa susunod, yun na yung next namin na video. Thank you so much, guys! Have a good day!
Yeah.
Bye-bye!